Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear friends, as I shared already information, today I came in order to with my friends Taliban. Actually, people were afraid more much for themselves, but today I tried my best to interview with themselves. So there is another sir by the name of Said Rahman and my other friends Taliban. So I would like to ask some question from themselves, which today many people all over the world, they are afraid from themselves and they have the bad pictures of my friends. So today let me ask one question from themselves. What do you think about the current situation of the people?
السلام عليكم مولوی صاحب اینمی برادر میگه که مثلا اینمی حکومت شما چی که امنیت آوردن در افغانستان مردم خارجی از شما چی میکنن اغیزی بد دارن مثلا میگه که اینا حکومت کنترل کردن نمیتونه مردم از شما چه قسم حالات اینمی ولایت بغلان چه قسم است چی ارزیابی میکنید شما
علیکم السلام و رحمت الله و برکاته شما بخیر سلامت باشید ملت افغانستان از امارت اسلامی 100% خوشحال است امنیت طور 100% نرمال و مکمل است هم ملت راضی هستند الحمدلله و برکت قربانی های ملت مسلمان افغانستان و برکت خود شهدا و سربازای ما همه نیروهای دشمن بسیار با خوشحالی صحنه را ترک کردند و بدون جنگ داخل صحنه ها و اداره و چوکی شدند میرن در خدمت ملت مردم افغانستان سربازای امارت اسلامی مسئول قرار دارند دیگه همه ملت خوشحال است.
Thank you so much. Dear friends, my friends said that today all over the world and all over the Afghanistan, all over the, for example, provinces or states, they submitted by themselves, nothing else. For example, they couldn't fight against ours and we just submitted to the people. And all the people are agree from ourselves and they agree from our deeds. So actually they said, Alhamdulillah, by the Allah's grace, we captured all over the Afghanistan and people are too glad from ourselves. And the behavior of ourselves is good. Right now people don't afraid from my side anything else.
about the education
So anything else, sir, ask them about the education, what they have, which plans they will have in the future. For example, in the future, what they are doing. What are the exclusive plans of yourself in the future?
مولوی صاحب اینا شما میکنه که شما طالبان درباره تعلیم و تربیه اطفال و اوناس چی فکر دارید؟
تعلیم و تربیه یک بخش از قرآن عظیم‌شان و فرمان الهی است بخش معارف الحمدلله زنده پیش میره همه که از ارگان‌های معارف به طور فعال و 100% به خاطر غم اولادهای ملت مردم افغانستان در بخش تعلیم و تربیه و معارف اسلامی یک بخش مهمی را فعالیت دارند و به حال پیشرفت است الحمدلله.
Thank you so much. My friend said, Alhamdulillah, right now government paved the way for all the people to do so, to do their education, to do their higher education. And we allow all the ladies and as well as boys, they can continue their higher education as well. And Alhamdulillah, Imarat Islami or the Mujahideen, they all succeeded right now to provide everything for people. And right now, higher education and education is still alive and everyone can go to school, including ladies and boys, everyone else. So one more important question, what is your future plans? What are your future plans?
future about the اداری فساد
And پلان‌های آینده شما چی هستند؟
پلان‌های آینده شما درباره حکومتی پیشنهادی بود بسیار فساد اداری بود.
Let me tell him, sir.
جست بسیار فساد اداری بود، رشوتخوری بود. شما در آینده چی پلان دارید در محکمات در اداره حکومتی چی نظریه دارید؟ چی پلان دارید؟
غم و درد بسیاری امارت اسلامی به خاطر یک نظام آینده و نظام اسلامی همه شمول وسط افغانستان و مطابق فهم و درک همه ملت افغانستان است انشاءالله العزیز یک اداره صالح و سالم پیش میره و تمام حکومات اقتصاد بخش‌های سیاسی و اقتصادی و ملت مردم افغانستان به طور بسیار نرمال و مکمل سالم و صالح پیش میره انشالله.
Thank you so much. He is actually, dear friends, he is one of the governor of Taliban or Mujahideen. I asked several questions from him, but today they provide good answer for ourselves. I mean, they said in the future we try our best to be economically and politically, we are govern all the country and we try our best to solve all the people problems. Including right now today more people are suffering from idleness, jobless like that. We are trying to provide them jobs. They can't do everything regarding to their, for example, education, for example, their, for example, like that. We can say in banks, in economical situation, it will be soon
Agriculture
good.
also.
Agriculture, educational, everything will be soon good. And actually, this is our 20 years fighting. For example, we demonstrate during 20 years. And fortunately, today we get that funds that we govern all over the country. And Alhamdulillah, and Summa Alhamdulillah, we will help all the people. Thank you very
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Thank you very much.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया ये भी सब खूबसूरत बंद करें